solve. 20x times x plus 2 times x minus 1 equals 5x cubed minus 24x minus 14x squared. Now this will take a little bit of time to do, but there's nothing hard. We just have to multiply out and then collect all the terms on one side and then factor. So let's start by multiplying here. I'm going to multiply first x plus 2 times x minus 1. That gives me 20x times x squared plus x minus 2, and that equals 5x cubed minus 24x minus 14x squared. Finishing the multiplication here, I have now 20x cubed plus 20x squared minus 40x, and again that equals 5x cubed minus 24x minus 14x squared. Now I want to combine the terms, move all of these over to this side so I have a 0 on this side. I'm going to subtract 5x cubed from both sides, which will give me 15x cubed. I'm going to add 14x squared to both sides, which will give me 34x squared. And I'm going to add 24x to both sides, which gives me a negative 16x. Now I need a factor. Now that I have 0 on one side, first of all, I say I have a common factor of x. So I'll begin by factoring out that common factor. I have x times 15x squared plus 34x minus 16, and that equals 0. And then I need to factor this. Well, using some trial and error, I would find that I have 5x minus 2 times 3x plus 8. Now I said each of these factors equal to 0. I have x equals 0, or 5x minus 2 equals 0, or 3x plus 8 equals 0. This is already solved for x. Solving for x here, I have 5x equals 2, dividing both sides by 5, x equals 2/5. And solving for x here, I would have 3x equals negative 8, or x equals negative 8/3. This actually gives me 3 values for x, and if I were to substitute, they would all 3 make this equation true. So I can state that the solutions are 0, 2/5, and negative 8/3.